So hi everyone, welcome back to the video. Today I'm back with a new art challenge, draw candies as a person. So here we go, wanted to represent candies in a face. So yeah, a crazy weird art challenges and I love them. So here we go. First of all, I will draw the base, the face, the neck and the ears. When I say candy, I think about peach colors, soft colors, female, grandma, baking, like that. So I give her a crema style hairstyle and a ribbon around her hair, made of lollipop and like a small decorations. I've also give her a cookie earrings, cookie earrings, and I give her small eyes because she is a grandma, and I have dressed her small tiny glasses, and I gave the lips peach colors and the skin a peach color. So yeah, here we go. I give her brown eyes and like soft brown eyes, and I love it a lot. Like she's pretty beautiful. Yeah, I think this challenge is weird and lovely because imagine I draw like a vegetable as a person or a fruit as a person. Sorry, here I have drawn a very big glasses, and I think it's not beautiful at all. It is not beautiful at all. So I'm sorry, just skip this part. I have thought of a small glasses just to make her more modern and more like stylish woman, you know. This is the week of fashion, so I want to give a fashion style. Yeah, anyway, I'm sorry, I'm somehow stressed, I don't know why. Just let us keep on, okay? Let us just keep on. So I have drawn the glasses near her, and I will match them together when I want to color them digitally. Yeah, you know, I color digitally, and if I draw more than one piece, I can match them into one full piece. Yeah, I think I'll make a video about that and how I create them, because I don't have any digital tablet. All of that I do using my phone, believe or not, using my phone only. So there is no digital tablet, no computer, just me and the phone. So that's somehow weird for some people and they won't believe me, but trust me, it's using a phone. That's why I draw on a paper, then like I use an app to clear out the background, color them, and I can adjust the transparency if I want to add layers. And here we go, that's it. Never mind, if you want a video about that, tell me in the comments. I'll try my best to do a video on how I color digitally and how I merge pieces without a digital tablet or any good digital device. So here we go. This is the small little glasses. So now I'm gonna to jump on the coloring. I forgot to draw the nose, but never mind. She looked scary, but I remember I haven't drawn the nose, but she looks kind of scary, but never mind. I will draw it, don't worry. So yeah, let us jump into coloring. So as I told you, first of all, I take a picture of the art, full picture, then I remove the whole background, this paper background, to remain with lines only. Then I color them using an art app in my phone. Then I merge them together, and this is the final result. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye, see you later.